You've got a model for classification and clustering of users. Great. Bring it over here, run it alongside some other models for classification of users, create a little model farm, synthesize those answers from multiple models, start a horse race, pick the best one. At Krux, a lot of our clients tell us that our lookalike models are the best that they've seen, but you know, maybe these guys at Carnegie Mellon or Stanford or a company I'm about to introduce you to have better ones. Great. Run your own models, blend them seamlessly into Krux feed, see how they perform when thrown with lots of data thrown at them. We want to make it easy for all of our partners to bring their analytic intelligence to L'Oreal and Uber and Spotify and all of our clients and put them to work. So along these lines, I wanted to introduce you now to Rex Briggs, an analytics veteran who has worked for decades to develop analytic solutions for marketers, most recently now as the CEO of Marketing Evolution, a company probably several of you are already working with. Rex, come on out here and let's talk a little bit about Krux Cognitive. Thanks for joining.
Hey, good seeing you.
All right. So, Rex, you've been at this a long time, and I was wondering if you could just share a little context for Krux Cognitive and how it sits inside some of the trend lines you've seen unfold over time.
Sure, I'm really excited about the advance here because, to give you a real-world example, 10 years ago, we were the first company to connect online advertising with offline sales. And we did that work with Procter & Gamble, Kraft, Nestle, Johnson & Johnson. We had the support of the IAB. Greg Stewart, who's here, was leading that organization at the time. We had the support of the ANA, the 4As, independent reviews by the ARF. And Greg's idea was, look, if we want to really help this industry accelerate and move really fast, we got to take that patented methodology you guys have to connect online advertising with offline sales, we've got to make it available to everyone.
Absolutely.
And so the ARF was going to basically take the methodology, which they had called in their independent review the gold standard in the industry for measuring advertising effectiveness, and make it available. But here's the rub. There was no infrastructure or system to be able to share that information. We had given that all the documentation, all the patent, and all that stuff, and it didn't really go anywhere. And so now with the product that you've put together with Krux Cognitive, what we have is we have a way of stewarding that information, sharing that information in a flexible, easy way that protects the IP and gets it into the hands of people that can actually do something really useful with it.
That's really awesome. I'm really excited to hear you talk that way. Rex, I was wondering if you could give a sense as to some of the next steps and things that you want to get going here with Krux Cognitive.
Yeah, sure. Really from Marketing Evolution standpoint, we're going to be both contributing to the platform with Krux Cognitive and also users of it. You mentioned the example of lookalike models before, and we have lookalike models, and so we'll be contributing that. But what I've instructed my team to do is to connect up with the platform, connect with Krux Feed as well, and to get, take it to the test track. Put our lookalike models in the test harness with other ones. And if we can get one that performs better, that's a great win for everyone. So we're going to be contributing data through our, advertising effectiveness measurement, our marketing mix models. We do omni-channel attribution, so we've got a lot of probabilistic models to figure out exposure to radio and television and so forth. And so we're going to be contributing those and then also using the models in there to help accelerate the development of the organization. As you've said, let 1,000 flowers bloom, and so we're excited about the use.
Really awesome. Thanks so much, Rex, for being here today.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.
Good seeing you.
Thank you.